Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Kim. I am Korean and I do a little business with overseas. And I'm here to make videos for Michael. He's a director of Sino making washing machines and all of those accessories too. And I'm here to say I recommend much with a product of Sino because while I was doing business, I had no problem with after services, and of course the quality is still okay, and the price is really reasonable. So I'm here to make some videos for him. And again, I just want to say it's been 4 years, 5 years so far since I imported his machines, and still we have a good relationship. And also, I still have no problem with machine, and I still have no problem with after services. There's some once like critical like parts of machine had a problem, but Michael solved it immediately. And of course I didn't pay nothing, and he paid everything, even shipping too. So I still very satisfied with it, with his services and products. And right now the machine is still working with no problem. So I have no problem with everything. In fact, I'm really satisfied with it. So yes, I recommend it a lot. Thank you.